Hello everyone. Welcome back to PlacementDrivePI. Today, I have an exciting job opportunity from Amazon for freshers. Amazon is hiring software development engineers, and if you're looking to start your software engineering career with one of the world's leading tech companies, this is a great opportunity. Let's look at the complete details. The job role is software development engineer, and this is a full-time position based in Chennai. Freshers are eligible to apply. Now, let's talk about the eligibility. Candidates who are currently enrolled in or have completed a bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering, or related fields can apply. Amazon is looking for candidates who have a good understanding of programming languages, such as Java, C, C++, or Python. You should also have strong knowledge of data structures, algorithms, object-oriented programming, problem-solving, and complexity analysis. Coming to the job responsibilities, selected candidates will work on software design, coding, testing, and the complete software development lifecycle. You'll build scalable applications, solve real-world problems, and develop innovative solutions that impact millions of Amazon customers worldwide. This is an excellent opportunity to work with experienced engineers, learn modern technologies, and build a strong career in software development. If you're passionate about coding and problem solving, don't miss this opportunity. Interested and eligible candidates can apply through the official Amazon Careers website. The application link is available in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to PlacementDrivePI for daily off-campus job updates, internships, and placement opportunities. Thank you for watching, and all the very best for your Amazon interview. Rock it!